In this video, I'm going to talk about the Franklin Covey original classic Cutaway Daily Notes and how to use them. All of the items shown in this video can be found by expanding the description area underneath the video and clicking on the link. Also, you can save money on the Franklin Planner website with discount promo code Tonya Plans. So let's open the package. Now, included in the package are a total of 50 sheets. And these are original cutaway notes. So as you can see here at the top is the date, so you can date your notes, and the sheets are the same on the front and the back, and the date is also on the back of the sheet as well. I would like to show you how to use the Cutaway Daily Notes. As you can see here, this is my daily planner. This is the original daily planner, which is a day on 2 pages. With this planner format, you get a whole page for notes each day, and that is just awesome. But sometimes you can get nervous when you get to the end of your notes page, because I get nervous that I'm going to run out of space to write my notes. So that's where the Cutaway Daily Notes pages come in. So if you get to the end of your page here, you can continue to write notes on the Cutaway Daily pages. So you just put them in your planner like so, and the reason they call them cutaway sheets is because they're cut here so you can continue to see the information at the top of the planner. As you can still see what date you're on, you can still see the quote at the top, and you can still see what day you're on, how many days you got left in a year. So isn't that wonderful? So you can just continue writing your notes on these pages and stick them right on the day that they happened. So suppose you don't have the daily planner, you can still use these Cutaway Daily Notes pages for a weekly planner. So this is the weekly planner. I have both the daily planner and the weekly planner in my binder because I use the weekly planner to plan my YouTube content. Now, as you can see with this weekly planner, the days of the week are across here, and each column represents a day. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, and it's a week on 2 pages. Notice there's not any space to really write notes. This planner does come with pages for notes, and they're in between the weeks. But if you like, you can use the Cutaway Daily Notes pages and put notes for that particular week directly in on that week. That way you know that those notes that you wrote on these pages are for this week. And see how I put these in here, and you can still see information at the top. So that's really, really great. Now, at the time of this video, these Cutaway Daily Notes pages are available in the classic planner size and the compact planner size. And I also saw them available if you have the blooms format planner. They also are available in the blooms, so the cutaway sheets will match your planner. Please let me know in the comments if you actually use Cutaway Daily Notes pages, and let me know what you think about them. I hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to like this video. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.